Welcome to Max class. So chapter 3, theory of equations, exercise number 3.2, fourth sum. Find the polynomial equation of minimum degree if root 5 minus root 3 is one rule. So solution, we have taken let x is equal to root 5 minus root 3. So x square equal to root 5 minus root 3 whole square. So this is of the form a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we will get 5 plus 3 minus 2 into root 15. Now you bring this 8 to left hand side. It becomes x square minus 8 equal to minus 2 into root 15. Squaring both sides. So we are getting x square minus 8 whole square equal to minus 2 into root 15 whole square. So this is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square plus minus 2ab equal to 4 into 15. So this is x power 4 plus 64 minus 16x square minus 60 equal to 0. If you simplify, you are getting x square, x power 4 minus 16x square, 64 minus 60 plus 4 equal to 0. This is the required equation. Exercise number, we will move to next exercise number 3.3. The first problem, solve 2x cube minus x square minus 18x plus 9 is equal to 0 if the sum of two roots vanishes. Solution, we are taking the roots as alpha, beta, gamma. Given a equal to 2, b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 18, c equal to 9. C equal to minus 18, D equal to 9. Now what is the sum of the roots? Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to, change the sign, plus 1 by 2. Now given sum of the two roots vanishes means sum of alpha and beta equal to 0. That implies 0 plus gamma equal to 1 by 2. So gamma is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, we are able to find one root of this equation as gamma equal to 1 by 2. Now, we'll use L division as you have studied in 10th standard. What are the coefficients? 2 minus 1 minus 18, 9. So, the 1 by 2, we are dividing by the number. Divisor is 1 by 2. Bring down this number. 2. 2 into 1 by 2, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 into anything? 0. So, minus 18. Minus 18 into 1 by 2, minus 9, 0. Therefore, we are getting quotient as 2x square minus 18. So, q is equal to 0 implies 2x square minus 18 equal to 0, 2x square equal to 18, x square equal to 9. So, x is equal to what? Plus or minus 3. So, what are the roots? 1 by 2, 3, minus 3. So, this is correct because it is a cubic equation. It must have 3 roots. So, we are having 3 roots, 1 by 2, 3 and minus 3. Problem number 3. Solve the equation 3x cube minus 26x square plus 52x minus 24 equal to 0 if its roots are in GP. What is given? 3x cube minus 26x square plus 52x minus 24 equal to 0. Roots are in AP. So, we are taking the given equation is 3x cube minus 26x square plus 52x minus 24 equal to 0. Roots, given that roots are in GP. So they can be taken as A by R, A, because what is GP? You consider this one 2, 4, 8. So when you multiply 2 by 2, you will get 4, 4 by 2, 8. So this is called GP. So here what is R? Second term by first term equal to 2 or third term by second term. This is called GP. So general form is A, AR, AR square. So why we are taking as A by R, A, AR? Now I will tell you. Now, what is the product of the roots? A by R into A into AR equal to 8. So, when you take like this, R cancels, you are getting the value of A cube directly. That is advantage. So, A cube is equal to 8. A is equal to 2. Why? We are taking only the real root. What are the other two roots are complex. Now, again we are going for L division. What are the coefficients? 3 minus 26, 52 minus 24. Bring down this 3 here. 3 into 2, 6. So this is minus 20. minus 20 into 2 minus 40. This you are getting 12. 12 into 2 24 equal to 0. It's a factor. Now q is equal to 0. What is q? 3x square minus 20x plus 12 equal to 0. So you apply the formula. A equal to 3, b equal to minus 20, c equal to 12. So your x will be, you apply the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So 20 plus or minus square root of minus 20 square minus 4 into 3 into 12 by 2 into 3. So what you are getting finally is 20 plus or minus root 56 by 6. That is 20 plus or minus 16 by 6. That is 86 by 6. 4 by 6. We are getting 6 comma 2 by 3. So what are the roots? 2 comma 6 comma 2 by 3. So fifth sum, solve x power 6 minus 3x power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 22x cube minus 39x square minus 39x plus 135 if 1 plus 2y and root 3 are two of its roots. So it is a 6-digit equation. Two roots are given. Our aim is to find the remaining 4 roots. So given 1 plus 2y is a root. That implies 1 minus 2y is also a root because complex roots occur in pairs. If 1 plus 2y is a root, automatically 1 minus 2y is a root. So what is the sum of the roots? 1 plus 2y plus 1 minus 2y equal to 2. Product of the roots 1 plus 2y into 1 minus 2y, that is a square minus b square. So we are getting 1 plus 1 equal to 5. Here I is 1. Therefore now using the sum of the roots and product of the roots, what is the required quadratic expression? P of x is equal to x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots, that is x square minus 2x plus 5. Since root 3 is a root, automatically minus root 3 is also a root. So sum of the root equal to root 3 minus root 3 0. Product of the roots root 3 into minus 3 minus 3. So q of x is equal to what? X square minus 3. Therefore what is p of x into q of x? X square minus 2x plus 5 into x square minus 3. If you simplify, you are getting as x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 2x square plus 6x minus 15. Now the given, you write the given equation, that is nothing but x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 2x square plus 6x minus 15 into what? X square plus px minus 9, because it is a 6-degree equation. Already you are having 4th degree equation. Now it must be a quadratic equation. So why we are taking here this as minus 9 here, x square plus minus 9 into minus 15, 135. Now you comparing the coefficient of x on both sides. What is the coefficient of x? The left hand side minus 39. Here 6 into minus 9 minus 54 minus 15 into p minus 15p. So we are getting 15p equal to minus 54 plus 39, that is minus 15. So we are getting p is equal to what? Minus 1. So the other factor is x square minus x minus 9 equal to 0. Now use the formula a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 9. So you are getting the root as x is equal to 1 plus or minus root 37 by 2. So what are the roots here? 1 plus or minus 2y plus or minus root 3, 1 plus or minus root 7 by 2. So you must have how many roots? 6 roots, because the given equation is the 6th degree polynomial.